Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon,
Sir.
Good afternoon.
sir. Please give me permission to rename.
Yes. Ready, all of
Good
you?
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Sir, today we will start which new chapter?
We
Sir,
will
today we will
start the
start.
chapter 19, Circles. All of you, take out your copies, write down the heading, write down the name of the chapter. Chapter
Sir,
19.
I have completed 19 chapter yesterday. I read it and explained chapter 19 yesterday only. Sir, please can you tell me the page number?
This is page number. Just a minute, telling.
Sir, it is page number 154.
Yes, page number 154. Keep your videos on, everyone.
My video is already on.
Okay. Ready, all of you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Everyone ready?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay. So, what is a circle, first of all? Anyone? What do
Sir,
you
circle
understand by
is
a circle? A
Sir,
circle is
circle.
like this.
Sir,
Is this a circle
sir,
on
it
the
is a
screen?
spare.
no, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
it is
No,
a
sir.
oval.
Sir,
Is this a
Sir,
not
circle?
oval. No,
sir, it
sir.
is also oval.
Is,
Sir, it is.
is this a circle? Is this a
No,
circle?
sir.
sir.
Sir,
No,
not
sir.
proper.
No, sir.
Not proper.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is a
Circle
circle.
is
The thing that has no side, no angle.
Sir, it is
Okay.
no side, no angle, and it is a round figure.
Okay. Now see, look at this. I will be explaining you what is a circle in detail. Look at this. This is a point. Let's name the point as O. Can we name the point as O? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will be
Excuse me,
making,
sir.
yes,
Sir, in this point we always name as only.
you can name anything, but mostly we name O as the center of the circle. Okay. If I take any
Sir, we
point
call
O,
center point. Sir,
yeah,
center point.
yeah. So if I take a point O, now look at this, everyone, very careful, be very attentive. Okay. So if I make infinite points which are at the same distance from point O, suppose I'm making these infinite points at a distance of 5 centimeters from O. ये सारे पॉइंट जो हैं वो O से कितनी डिस्टेंस पर है? This point is also 5
Sir, 5.
centimeters. This is also 5 centimeters. So you take any point, all the points are at 5 centimeters from the point O. So I'm making infinite points like this. Infinite points. बनाता जाऊं. These are not
Yes, sir.
infinite till now. If I keep on making points, marking points infinitely,
Yes, sir.
like this, if I keep on making infinite points, what I will get ultimately? Ultimately, I will get a
Circle, sir.
circle. So what is a
Morning,
circle? A circle
Sir,
is
circle is a shape made by points.
a circle is a set of points, or a circle is a set of points which are equidistant from a given point. Suppose the given
And
point is
sir,
O.
It is
sir,
equal
all
Are that
point
from
ends, sir,
our
it
center
has
point.
5
so
We can
centimeter.
say.
all the no not always 5, it could be different also. Just don't do it.
So we can say circle is a set of points which have a equal distance from a center point.
Yes, correct. A circle has is a mixture of infinite points. Is a set of a circle or a
हाँ मैं
circle
समझ
is a
गया
set of points where all the points are at equal distance from a particular center point. Okay. So every circle has a center. So this was only to explain what is the meaning of circle, and this is a proper circle because I cannot make a perfect circle with my hands. So I have used a tool here. Suppose this is the center of the circle. Let's name the center as O. So all of you, have you all understood what is the definition of a circle?
yes
Yes,
sir
sir. Understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes sir
Now there are some terms related to a circle. Let's understand these terms. The boundary of a circle. Sorry.
Sir, the lines, sir, the lines that made a circle, that are its boundary.
So this is another circle. Am I right? This is another circle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the boundary of a circle, this boundary, the whole boundary of the circle, what is this? This is known as circumference of the circle.
Sir, circumference.
If we take only the boundary is known as the circumference. What is the meaning of
Yes, sir,
circumference
I
of a
know.
circle?
Sir, boundary of the
Sir,
circle.
The
boundary of the
boundary of the
circle.
circle is
The
known as,
boundary of
boundary of
the
the
circle.
circle
yes,
sir
it
the
is known as,
perimeter of a circle
correct. The
Sir,
perimeter of a,
sir, I know this earlier. Sir, I have sir listened this. Sir, before I listened this word, sir, I don't remember. Sir, I didn't know its sir meaning. Now I get to know.
very good, beta. So the perimeter only, the perimeter of a circle, boundary of the circle is known as the circumference. Okay, understood? The next term is diameter. Diameter is what? Diameter is a line segment. I am telling you the definition first. Diameter is a line segment. उसके बाद I will show you in the figure also. Diameter is a line
The
segment
passing from one point
which
on the
has both the end points on the circle,
sir
on the
so
circumference
friends
of the circle,
sir it
and
divides the circle into two equal parts
it passes through the center of the circle like this. Let me draw a diameter of this circle. See this, if I draw any line starting from
sir,
a point,
but it goes from the center point.
see all of you, is this the diameter of the circle?
No, sir.
No.
no
Sir,
sir
it is chord.
Is
Sir, it
this
is chord.
a diameter of the circle?
No,
No,
sir.
still no.
no sir
Now is it the diameter of the circle?
Yes, sir.
yes sir yes sir
Yes,
The
sir.
answer is yes. Now it is the diameter of the circle. Why? Because
Sir, it
Sir,
is
it
half.
goes from the point only.
first of all, its end points, the line segments, end points of the line segments, for example, point A and point B are lying on the circumference of the circle. दोनों end points circumference पर हैं इसके A and B, and it is also passing through the center of the circle. So this is known as what? This is known as diameter of the circle. Understood the meaning of diameter? You don't have to write down anything, don't copy anything, don't make the figure, just listen what I am explaining. Are you all understanding what I am explaining here?
yes sir
So understood the meaning of diameter of a circle, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Can we draw only one diameter in a circle or more than
No,
one?
sir.
no sir no
Sir,
sir
more than we can draw one more.
Sir, I have a question that we can say that there are infinite diameter in a circle.
This is another circle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
There are infinite diameters in the circle.
we can draw infinite diameters in a circle. How? Let me show you how. So start from any point, draw a line passing through the center. Start from another point,
That is
draw a
not
line.
properly.
थोड़ा सा वो गड़बड़ हो गया है, ignore it. Okay, and again pass through the center. Okay, so we can draw as many diameters as we want, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many diameters can we draw in a circle? We
Sir,
can draw
infinite.
infinite diameters in a circle.
Sir, now
Okay.
it is looking like a wheel.
Yes. So we can draw infinite.
Sir, like people say the diameter of a place, so how they get the diameter of a place?
Diameter of a place.
So you people, heard
I
some
think that
people say.
they might make a center point and then they cross.
We can draw diagonals in a quadrilateral in a pentagon, not diameter. Diameter is always of a circle. If the place is circular,
Okay,
you
sir.
can draw a diameter. Okay. Okay. So now we have understood that a diameter, we can draw infinite diameters in a circle. Now, what does a diameter do? A diameter divides the divides the circle into two equal parts. Am I right or not? Both the parts are
Yes,
equal.
Yes, sir. And sir,
And
half part of a circle is known as semicircle.
very good. If we see one half of the circle, these are two equal halves of the circle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
So these are two equal halves of the circle. So if we see the first half of the circle, this is known as semicircle.
Semicircle, sir.
Okay. So if we, can I say this? A diameter divides a circle into two semicircles.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. That means you
Sir,
have
if we
understood.
divide a semicircle into two parts, so sir, what we will call it?
If we divide a semicircle into two parts, we will call it a quadrant.
So
Okay,
quadrant.
quadrant. Like this, I will show you here. If I draw two diameters in a circle, look at this figure. Everyone, this is a circle, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will draw a diameter of this circle passing through its center. So this is one of the diameter. If I draw another diameter perpendicular to it, this is another diameter perpendicular to the first diameter. Then what it has done? It has divided the circle into four equal parts. The circle is divided into four equal parts. So each
Yes,
part,
sir.
if you see, each part of this circle, if you see it properly, it is known as a quadrant.
And sir, if we divide quadrant in also a half part, then what it will call?
We do not call it anything.
Sir,
It
it
will,
can't be divided only properly.
no, we can divide it into equal parts,
Yes. Sir, like
further
a
equal
pizza
parts.
slice.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
but
you
it
will,
can't be a
if
circle then.
if we divide all the quadrants, all the four quadrants into two equal parts, then we will get 8 parts of this circle.
Sir,
8
we
equal
can
parts.
call when a quadrant is divided, then sir we can call it small pizza slice.
Stop moving, Nihit and Varin. क्या कर रहे हो दोनों लोग? अरे? Nihit and Varin, stop it. Okay, so you all have understood quadrant. The next term is radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is half of the diameter is known as radius.
It do not divide the circle into two parts. It divide the circle into half, upper part, half.
So look at this. This is the center of the circle. Let's name the center O. This is the center of the circle O. Okay. And if I join the center of the circle with any one point on the circumference of the circle, suppose the point A. So this is half of diameter, am I right? What I have done, I have drawn half of the diameter.
Yes, sir.
If I complete it further, it will become a diameter of the circle, but this is the half of the diameter. I have joined only the center with one point on the circumference of the circle. So this is known as radius of the circle. Very important thing, radius of the circle. What is this? This is known as,
Please explain again radius.
you were busy doing in something else, were in, am I right? कुछ कर रहे थे, कुछ शैतानी में लगे हुए थे, पता नहीं क्या हिल रहे थे. Radius of the Varan, pay attention. Radius of the circle is the line segment which joins the center of the circle with any other point on the circumference of the circle. Center को और circle के ऊपर कितनी? Yes, half of diameter
Okay,
is the radius. Okay. So this is known as radius of the circle. Chord. Next is chord. So I will draw the chord here in this figure only. Chord is a very simple thing. Any line segment which has both the end points on the circle, on the circumference of the circle. Oh, sorry. So this is a chord. It has both the endpoints on the circle. You can see both the endpoints are on the circle. Any line segment which has both the endpoints on the circle, circle से ही शुरू होगी और circle पे ही खत्म हो जाएगी. So this is known as a chord. Okay. Another one. This is also a chord.
Sir, like this way, the sir diameter is also a chord.
Absolutely right. Diameter is also a type of chord. This, can you see this side जो मैंने अभी अभी बनाई? This is the diameter as well as a chord. Okay. Diameter is also a chord. And do you know what we say? We can say that diameter is the longest chord that we can draw in a circle. This is the longest chord that we can draw inside a circle. Got it?
Sir, how it is the longest chord?
Because it has the maximum length that we can draw.
Sir, it is because sir chord can be drawn anywhere, and sir it could be sir short, and sir diameter is long because it covers the whole area of the circle.
Correct. You are right.
Sir, because diameter is drawn in the center and in center point, it becomes the largest segment which we can.
One question, you have to tell me the answer in yes or no. Okay, one question I'm asking you all. Is radius also a type of chord? Radius is also a type of chord.
No,
Yes
sir,
or
no,
no?
sir, no, sir,
No, sir, no, sir,
no, sir, no, sir,
no,
no,
sir,
sir.
no, sir,
Sir, it is coming from
Yes,
circle, but not ending
Sir,
from the circle.
Sir, it
In the circle.
Sir, I think that it is yes.
Beta,
No,
the
sir.
answer is
No.
the
No.
answer is no. Radius is
No.
not a chord. Absolutely right reason, Kushag. Some of you gave the reason also. The reason is the radius has one end point on the circle, but the other end point is on the center of the circle. And chord must have both the endpoints on the circumference of the circle. Okay. Chord के दोनों endpoints circle के ऊपर ही होने चाहिए. So radius is not a type of chord. Diameter is a type of chord. Got it, everyone? Understood?
Yes,
Concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
The next is arc of a circle. अगर मैं कोई सर्कल बनाऊं यहाँ पर और उसको पूरा ना करूं, this is known as arc. Simple. Got it? कोई भी सर्कल बनाना स्टार्ट करूं और उसे छोड़ दूं, that is an arc. So a part
sir,
of a
we
circle,
cannot make its diameter.
a part of a circle is known as arc of the circle. ठीक है? Any part of the circumference में से कोई भी छोटा सा part आपने कट कर लिया, so that is known as arc of the circle. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It could be bigger, it could be smaller, but it is an arc. छोटा भी हो सकता है,
Sir,
बड़ा
it
भी हो
could
सकता
be
है.
an inch of.
Ah, yes, very small part. It could be a very small part also. That is also an arc. So you all have understood all the terms related to a circle. Any doubt in any of the terms, everyone?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
Very good. Now you all,
No, sir.
what you all have to do is you will take out your copy. First of all, write down the heading circle. Open page number 155. Page number 155. Write down the heading circle. Can you see the purple color cloud on page number 155? Top पर देखिए cloud बना हुआ है.
Yes. Yes,
Purple.
sir.
Purple color
Yes, sir,
cloud.
written the
That is the
definition.
definition of circle. Write down the definition of circle from there, inside the cloud. Okay. Second thing, what you all have to do, you will write down the heading parts of a circle. Can you see this heading on the same page, parts of a
Yes,
circle?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, circumference, diameter, radius,
Write
chord,
all these
and arc.
definitions. Circumference, first is circumference. Second is diameter.
Sir, on page number 150, we have to. Arc is also given.
Yes.
Page number 150. Arc.
Correct.
Sir, I'm saying that on the page number 155, sir, we have to write the definition of circle from the purple box.
Yes, beta. Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, write down all these definitions and all the figures you have to draw except the orange figure. अच्छा, draw all these. Orange भी बनाना है आपको because उसमें center दिखाया है circle का. Draw all the 5 figures which are drawn on page number 155. Okay. Fifth one is arc. That figure also you have to put.
The points are also taken after the three figures.
Sorry.
Sir, but where we will draw the center, semicircle, and quadrant center.
All the figure. Leave some. Write down the definition, then draw the figure. Then write down the definition, then draw the figure below it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it,
Sir, we
everyone?
have to write the definition of. Sir, we have to write the points also that are given. 5
Yes.
points.
5 points. कौन से 5 points?
Yes.
No, not those points. Not the points.
Sir, these.
No, you don't have to write those
We
points.
will write the definition of diameter, quadrant, and center. So, sir, we have to leave a space for the 3 circles of blue one and this purple and orange.
बेटा सुनो मेरी बात में, जो मैंने बोला है सिर्फ वही करना है. Just write the definition of circle. ठीक है? First thing. Second thing, write down the heading parts of a circle. फिर parts of circle आपको heading देखी मिली क्या? Page number 155. Got the heading? Parts of a circle. Page number 155. Under the heading parts of a circle, there are all the definitions. Circumference, diameter, radius, chord, arc. All the headings are there. From there, you write down all these definitions. जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बस उतना करना है. And draw the figures. Okay. Write down the definition.
Sir, all 5 figures.
Yes,
all
all the
five
five.
circles of page
Yes,
number 155.
yes, yes. Because every figure is showing a different thing.
Sir,
Okay.
please can you send in chat box what do we have
And
to
sir,
do?
and sir, arc picture also. And sir, arc figure also.
Yes, that also.
Sir,
Sir,
after doing work, sir, after doing work, we have to send on WhatsApp.
Yes, right, correct. After completing your
Sir,
work, take a picture and send it on WhatsApp.
Sir,
Samar
I
Verma, yes.
yes, sir.
Samar,
Sir, we have to put this figure,
yes, you have to draw.
this,
Yes,
this,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
this.
And yes, arc, yes, correct.
Okay, sir. So, sir, we don't
tell
have
me
to
where
do
is the
this.
diagram of conference is given.
Huh?
Sir, please can you tell me where is the diagram of circumference is given?
Circumference diagram is not given. Circumference is only the boundary of the circle. So if you in the first figure only, first figure circle में आप ये बनाओगे, everyone, you will make this figure, you will mark this as the center O, ऐसे लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
In this only you mark this arrow and write down circumference of the circle. ठीक है? In this figure only.
We have to do? Sir, how we have to do?
Just make the center of the circle.
Yes, sir.
Draw the circle, make the center of the circle, and then the boundary of the circle is the circumference.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Yes.
Sir, but there is no diagram for radius.
Beta, radius you have to mark in the figure only. Any figure. You
Okay,
can
sir.
mark the radius in the figure of diameter only. You can mark the radius. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Done. All of you. Done. Everyone. Beta, how many of you have done?
No, sir, I am on a diameter.
Sir, I am
Sir,
also
I'm
on
on
diameter.
chord.
I am on the radius.
Okay, karo beta.
Sir,
Sir,
chord.
but I couldn't complete in this class because I am on
Okay,
diameter.
okay, okay,
Only 2 minutes are left.
okay, complete.